Charter Communications stock symbol CHTR. It's getting taken to the cleaners here today, down 10%, down 39% year to date. And it hasn't been good in the past year for investors in Charter Communications either, because the stock is down about 67%. So Charter logged its fourth consecutive decline in quarterly revenue as its subscriber losses continue. It continues to see this competition from fixed wireless and fiber connection services. They're eating into Charter's home internet subscriber base.
Audible here with Damian Sassar with all the sports work he does for Bloomberg and up at Harvard. And Damian, ESPN's the same way. There's just fewer people watching.
Do you know, we've been talking about the foreign all morning, and we haven't talked about the Hungarian Grand Prix this weekend with F1 with Kimi Antonelli and his 64.5-point lead, which has been credit to 20.
On Apple TV.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, on Apple TV.
We'll have to see on that as well. So there it is with Charter folded into the Hungarian Grand Prix, where they'll be spending the Hungarian. It's an amazing podcast.
Only Damien would put those two things together.
He
so
would.
I'm impressed.
Let's try to save the podcast.
Okay, let's get back on track with a little American Express, ticker there, AXP. You know it, down 3.3% and off about 8% year to date. And I have to say, I'm a little confused about it because credit card issuers reported second quarter revenue, net card fees that came in very strong, but I guess just below expectations because the stock is down. It boosted its revenue forecast for the full year. The increase in sales primarily driven by higher card member spending, so people continuing to spend big on these cards. It increased 9%. That's the highest growth rate in 3 years. So for all the talk about, consumers maybe pulling back, they're charging it, at least to their Amex.
Well, delinquencies are up. Delinquencies are back up, aren't they? I mean, if you look at the ABS market, I think credit card delinquencies are above pre-COVID levels again. So maybe there's some real fundamental.
And I thought this was interesting. It's Platinum Card, which I think has the highest annual fee, is actually the fastest growing product now in its consumer business.
It's a whole cottage industry on YouTube. There's kids sitting at home who do nothing but look at 50 charge cards. To try to tell you which one not to do or which one's
Have you ever overdrafted on your credit card, Tom?
No, I don't have credit
No
cards.
comment.
No, I don't have credit cards. I'm in triple leverage.
Keep cash for everything.
He's not in the stock market and has no credit cards. What are we going to do with Tom Keene?
Next.
Verizon, VZ. So it was up a lot more earlier today, and then it erased most of that gain. It's up just about 0.5% right now, up 7.5% for the year. We know that CEO Dan Schulman has this turnaround plan, and according to this latest earnings report, it looks like it's starting to bear fruit. It reported mobility and broadband sales that beat Wall Street expectations in the second quarter, also raised its full year forecast for adjusted earnings. So on the surface here, it looks like Verizon did a lot better than expected, and analysts seem to be upbeat after this profit report, but investors are not too enthusiastic because, again, the stock is not as high as it was earlier.
But it's almost like it's in the news. Everybody knows it's going to be a massive double-digit quarter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And it's okay, we're coming out and it's tweaking. Julian Emmanuel will write about it, for Monday and everybody else. And